Good morning, everyone. Okay, this is actually my individual assignment and project. Okay, the title of my project is Innovative Solutions for Home Appliance Service Management. So, okay, the name I give for my app is actually Home Fix Assistance. Okay, uh, this is actually about innovative mobile applications designed to solve real household challenges related to appliance repair service and so on. Okay, we will see in detail in the next slides. Hi, we are in the slide number two. It's actually an overview of the problem identifications. Okay, the main problem we actually identify is that the difficulty that facing by many household when their appliance breakdowns. Okay, most people's depend heavily on their washing machines, fridge, and hair cooler units and so on. But when something actually goes wrong, it is very hard for them to find a reliable technicians, which is um, there is no structure platform, examples no pricing details, and so the user are often feel unsafe dealing with such unknown technicians. Okay, this actually creating stress, inconvenience, and also waste time. Now we are in the slide number three. It's about problem identifications, globalization strategy, and culture. Okay, we also analysis how globalization's strategy and culture influence this problem. First, globalization has raised a user expectations because people are used to app like Grab, Food Panda, and Shopee that offer convenience and speed. Second, from strategy perspective, the appliance repair industry is very fragmented, whereby there is no there is no standard procedures, and no center system, and uh, and culturally many Malaysians prefer technicians which is recommended by their friends, neighbor, and so on. So because trust is actually a very important key is here. We are in the slide number four. It's actually about objective. Okay, based on the problem analysis we gone through, okay, our main objective is to develop a mobile app that connect user with the verified appliance technicians and provide a safe, transparent, and convenient service process from A to Z. So whereby for this they only needed two things. One is their mobile phone, and the second is the internet connections. From the two things, they actually can solve the appliance breakdown issues by sitting at one place instead of they go around look for their neighbors and friends to find a trustworthy technicians to solve the issues. And also we can save a lot of timing here. Okay, now we are in the slide number five. Okay, it's actually about scope of the project. Okay, the scope of the project focus on home appliance repairing, such as washing machines, fridge, hair conditioners units, and so on. Our target user include families, teenage, and working adult. Okay, the app allowed user to add appliance, request service, and match with technicians, and also they can track their service history. In the long term, okay, in the long term, This system can expand to cover all type of home services such as cookhood, shower heater, and so on. Okay, now we're in the slide number 6 is actually about project approach. Okay, our approach use several innovations strategies. We apply across culture understanding to address trust issues. Okay, and global R&D insights from Simulus app, and also a culture of innovations within through brainstorming and continuous feedbacks. Okay, I also used design thinking and creativity, problem solving technique. Okay, such as like Scamper, 5Y, to develop our app features. Now we are the slide number 7 is actually about analysis of innovation strategy globalizations. Globalization has a big impact on innovations, okay, whereby it exposes to global service model and also pushes to meet the international standards, such as users today expect fast response, okay, such as like digital payments, examples, CMB click and so on. Okay, and track futures. So there's expectations guide our designs in these projects. Now we're in the slide number 8. It's actually about innovation strategic. Okay, strategic management. Okay, in terms of strategic management, okay, we actually follow an agile development approach. Okay, we design the app in this stage. Okay, identify the risks such as safety issues, and build solutions like technicians verifications and service transparency and so on. Okay, I also set KPI for every technicians, such as customer satisfactions and response time to ensure the long term uh, success. Okay, now we are in the slide number 9. It's actually about culture of innovations. Whereby to build a culture of innovations, okay, we encourage open discussions, idea sharing, and feedback for continuous improvements. Okay, every member contribute different perspective, which help create a strong and more creative solutions for every problems. Okay, this reflect how modern organizations foster innovations by valuing collaborations and diversing viewpoints. Now we are in the slide number 10. Okay, it's actually about case study integrations. Okay, I study a successful global example, such as Task Rabbit in the US and Urban Company in India, and also Tokopedia Home Service in Indonesia. Okay, that's a platform inspired features like technicians verifications, status tracking, and transparency in pricing. By learning from these global innovations, we also adapt the most suitable idea into our home fix assist concept. Now we're in the slide number 11. It's actually about challenges and recommendations. Okay, some challenges I identify include user hesitations about safety, technicians availability, and digital literacy for older user. Okay, they may also be limitations in resources during the early development. So my recommendations include implementing strict verifications for technicians, and build partnership with the appliance brand, and adding um multi-languages support, and also providing training models for the technicians. Okay, by providing this, it actually increased the trust um, among the customers on their technicians, and the customers do not worry too much whether the technicians is it a professionals one, they can solve the issues, um, solve the issues with their home appliance and so on. We're in the last slide of this project, which is conclusions. Okay, in conclusion, Home Fix Assistant is an innovative and practical solutions to a real household problems. My project successfully integrate globalizations, strategy, and innovations frameworks. Okay, by using design thinking and creative problem solving method, we develop an app concept is that is user friendly, safe, and impactful for the Malaysians household. Okay, and thank you for watching my presentations. Have a good day.